Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for July 13th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair first. This pair continued to move to the downside. However, it did pull up a significant amount prior to the close. We are looking for this pair to continue its move to the downside, possibly on a reversal going up to 79.95, possibly as low as 78.06. Look for some resistance around 79.50 and look for some support around 78.44. Now the Euro USD moved higher during this previous session, mainly due to the speech from Bernanke. We are looking for this pair to continue short term, moving to the upside, possibly as high as 143.89, possibly to the downside around 138.70. Look for some resistance around 142.82 and look for some support around 139.50. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair moved to the upside during today's market action. Short term should be moving higher. Look for it to potentially go as high as 163.11, possibly as low as 158.31. Look for some resistance around 162.50 and look for some support around 160.50. Now the US Swiss, this pair continues to move to the downside, has not broken its the high and the open are the same, at least for this session so far. We are looking for it to potentially on reversal go as high as 0.8374, possibly as low as 0.7994. Look for some resistance around 0.8200 and look for some support around 0.8050. Now, as far as news analysis go, we have the European Central Bank publishing their July monthly report. That's being released at 4 a.m. Eastern Time. Now, at 5 a.m. Eastern Time, we have the Eurozone releasing their Consumer Price Index for June. They're showing a hold at 1.5%. Now, at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we have the U.S. releasing their Advanced Retail Sales for June. Consensus on that is that it has dropped just a little bit from a negative 0.2% to a negative 0.1%. I'm sorry, raised to a negative 0.1%, which could be good news for the advanced retail sales. Of course, not much of a move and still not in positive territory. Okay, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, we are looking at the US Swiss. It just broke through previous support. It's moving to the downside. However, if you've noticed, we have an inside bar that's created on the hour time frame. So I am looking at the hour time frame for this particular move. We are right around the 80.75 mark. Can be some area of support there, but basically I'm looking for it to come down to the 80.50 mark. So looking to enter just below the 80.70, pretty much at 80.74. So looking to short at 0.8074 and then looking to exit the trade at 0.8050. So grabbing about 24 pips there between those two on the hour time frame when it does move lower. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.